last video I left you with, we were driving into a forest fire in Pine, Arizona. Luckily, the fire was mostly contained, and what better way to support the community than go spend some money in it as a tourist? Okay, next up is a lavender farm. Sorry about the red face. Get over it. This is the lavender farm, Sparrow.
Your destination is on the right.
Google even says so. So we're gonna get some lavender cookies here. Wow, I haven't even gotten out of the vehicle yet, and I'm already overtaken by the smell of lavender. All right, the name of this lavender farm is Pine Creek Canyon, and it's just above Payson, Arizona. They are a dog-friendly establishment, but I didn't find out until after I left. My main goal here is to pick out some lip salve from the gift shop, so let's find that first. But whoa, now that I see how close we are, it's really not that bad. It almost looks like a prescribed burn. And you can tell there's a little bit more burning on the other side of the ridge. Last I checked, they had this at 40% containment, so I think we're gonna be okay. And the lavender farm is still operating business as usual, so let's go check it out. I wish you could smell this place. Now, the lavender bloom season is over, but you can still smell it just as pungent. If you know me, I'm not really a girly girl, but I wanted to buy everything in this gift shop, except for these sage wraps, which were wrapped by a machine and quite expensive. Shameless plug time, you can get a 6 smudge set from me of assorted sage for $30. Please don't spend $15 on a sage smudge stick. Sweet pumpkin spice lotion with lavender. Stop it. Please let them have a lip salve in this flavor. They had lotion bars, they had medicinal salve, and they even had bath bombs. But I don't have a tub. But as soon as I saw the soaps, I knew I was in trouble. They're made with all these natural ingredients, no chemicals, synthetic fragrances, or palm oil. I saw this one and it was over. And they even had these bamboo loofah bags to hold the soap in.
Anxiety, yep, and that one is your...
They had sweatshirts and hats and candles. And oh my God, I gotta get a candle. And then they have tea. But back to the candles, I gotta get one of these. There's soy too. You see? I mean, is there one thing you've seen that you didn't want to buy? Maybe a hat. Maybe I didn't want to buy a hat. But I wanted to buy all the essential oils, all the different lotions they had. There it is, the lip salve. Huh. Oh, look, they even have beard oil. Huh. Okay, I better get out of here before I spend too much money. But then I see this. And apparently they have a baking school here. And unfortunately, they were out of the lavender cookies. I got to show you what I got. So I'll look at the bag. Also, fit check because, like...
Mom, you are lavender.
Just pine. No, a lavender soy candle. If you're in a small space and you're burning candles, you don't want that toxic crap, the usual wax that they use in mainstream candles. Seriously, you want soy. It doesn't put off any toxic chemicals. Oh my God. Everything smells like lavender. It is literally the most zen place I've ever smelled. You want to smell it?
Yeah. Oh. Mommy, that's really nice. I like that.
He licked it. So my gym bag is always like a pain in the butt. My soap and my gym... Okay, what am I trying to say? The soap in my gym bag. I never know where to put it. Like, there's no shelves in Planet Fitness showers to like put your soap down. So like I always like to hang it by something, but I never have anything to hang by. Well, I got this bag. Bamboo, but it holds the soap that I got, which is coffee, lavender... Coffee, lavender, something. I want to eat it, but I will settle for smothering my body in its soapy lather. Very, very happy about that. And then last but not least, I really need a chapstick. Lavender and sweet pumpkin spice. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. Oh, it's thick and buttery. It's everything I wanted it to be. Oh, and it's sweet. Wow. It's better than my Vermont beeswax and olive oil salve. And it tastes like fall. I don't usually buy nice things for myself, so to be able to do this just feels really good. Let's put it in its new home. Oh. You can order from them online here. I will also put the link in the caption below. Can't wait to burn that later. And wash my butt with this later. My lips feel amazing. And they taste good too. But as sweet as my lips taste right now with that pumpkin spice lavender lip balm, we have a dessert shop to check out. It's called the Gingerbread House, and it's here in Pine, so let's get on the road and get to that now. I'm not really sure about this. It looks like it's just an ice cream bar, and I'm not really a big fan of that. I thought it was gonna be like a sweet shop. So we're gonna pass. See you later, Bigfoot. I'm not a super huge ice cream fan. Sometimes I like it, but I'm more of a soft serve girl. I'm just not in the mood for that. I thought it was gonna be like more of like a dessert or like cake house or something, you know, like gingerbread cookies, but like it's just ice cream and it's just like a bar outside. So we're just gonna go on to the next thing. What is the next thing? The honey stand. So let's go to the honey stand. To the fires. But it really doesn't seem to be affecting the town at all. So we're gonna keep doing what we're doing. This town has a lot of antique shops and cabins. It's just a really quaint little mountain town. I'm not a big antiquer. Where am I gonna put antiques? In my van? No. Anytime I have the chance to spend locally, I will. Not that I will spend frivolously. I would just rather get really awesome goods from a special place. I need honey, and I'm at a honey stand, so makes sense, right? Right. So here we are, the honey stand. So here we go. I also spent a small fortune here. It's easy to do. I mean, look at all the honey they have. And they have snacks and jams and all kinds of stuff. The van smells like lavender, but I have to show you what I got from the honey stand. So let's do that real quick before we go to the next place, which is actually going to be like a dessert shop. It's called... Okay, let's try that again. I think it's called Pine Canyon Espresso and Fudge Shop. Say no more. They said fudge. I'm about to go rot my teeth out. First, I gotta show you what I'm gonna rot my teeth out with from the honey stand. Prickly pear marmalade. The lighting in here is not great. Made with delicious prickly pear cactus. Take my money. Really dark honey. It's called pine wildflower honey. I hope it tastes like... I have to try it. It's like molasses. Don't judge me. Oh my God. Look at how dark it is. You can't see because we have a dangerous thing here. Look at how dark it is. This is honey. Oops. This might be dangerous. One more kind of honey. Cat claw honey. A little bit more golden. And cat claw is a type of acacia tree. I almost want to open that up now, but like I'm hungry. And that's a problem. So we're gonna go get espresso and fudge at 2 in the afternoon. We're not gonna get espresso. We might get a coffee. We might get a coffee. We're not gonna get a coffee. All right, it's time to get to the fudge. Here we go. There's also the dirty hippie. I'm gonna have to go in there too. Probably waste a bunch of money. A little VW bus. And here we have Fudge Creek, Pine Creek Fudge, whatever it is. Okay. Oh, these are the specials. I know what I'm gonna get. Yup, a pumpkin chai latte. Oh, yeah. Okay, so that chai latte is gonna have plenty of sugar, and I'm definitely not going to eat any of the birthday cake or the chocolate peanut butter fudge right now, but boy, do I want to. Probably be gone by tomorrow. These kind of stores remind me of home. They're so Vermont-like. Oh, you know they're good. And here we go. Look, it's the first thing I see. Overpriced, industrially wrapped sage. Those smaller bundles, those are hand wrapped. Remember, you can get 6 different kinds in my kits. Okay, so this is a typical hippie shop. They got incense, they got essential oils, they have candles, they got Buddha. And it wouldn't be complete without an entire lineup of Birkenstocks. Yes, the most overpriced cork sandal in history. Wow, that one's plastic and still has a high price tag. Moving on, they've got hippie clothes. Beautiful hippie clothes, actually. I could spend a lot of money here, but I know I can get all of this stuff super cheap and quartzite. They've got the flowers on the floor. I thought that was cute. I really liked that they had a bunch of different rooms to kind of explore. It was a whole adventure in itself. And then I found this room, and I knew I was in trouble. I haven't bought a new guitar in years. And the one I have is pretty beat up from traveling, but look at all these cute ukuleles and mandolins and violins, and I don't know what those are called, but they're really unique instruments, and they're so cute. And then they have all these guitars. I have to play one. It's pretty, but it doesn't sound good. It needs to sound good if it's going to cost that much. No, it says a bunch of weird words on it. But, she sounds really pretty. Okay, so not just one, but 2. Oh, she gave me goosebumps. Man. It's acoustic electric. Oh man, why do I do this to myself? I can't do it. It's mahogany. It's taking everything I have right now to not walk back in that store and buy that second guitar. Oh my god, she sounded so good. I still haven't eaten. There's a pizza place and they have gluten-free pizza, so I mean, it's kind of like a requirement. Let's go get some pizza. And there's like lots of smoke. It's crazy that like within a mile, there's a forest fire that like nobody seems to even be noticing that's happening. Weird, very weird. We're right outside the pizza place now, and right across the street is the fire. If I were to turn my back to this smoke, I wouldn't even know there was a forest fire going on. You can't smell it. There's nothing indicating that in the town. Everyone's just going on as usual. It's so weird to me. But you can even see up there. It doesn't show up in the camera that well, but those little pinpricks of light, those are flames. And you can see how a group of flames kind of flare up and then die back down. It's very surreal, but there's nothing we can really do about it. So let's go eat some pizza, Sparrow.
Yes, I'm ready.
This place is great because it's dog friendly. They have an outdoor seating area where they've got some games you can play and kids are running around. So it's a very family oriented atmosphere. We did have to wait about a half hour for the pizza. And it was like afternoon. It wasn't even late. They didn't seem busy, but you know, okay. We'll just wait. It's good exposure for Sparrow anyway. Okay, the moment of truth. Sparrow's already on it. What? That is beautiful. And it's gluten-free. So this is spinach artichoke chicken. Sparrow's okay. And balsamic glaze. It's a white pizza. So, excuse me, I have to stuff my face now.
Mom, can I have some? Mom, I want some. This is bullshit. I should have some of that now. Mom, look at what a good boy I'm being. You should give me some pizza.
I give this place a 7 out of 10. Someday I'll find an amazing gluten-free crust, but not today. Is that good?
Yeah, that was good, Mom.
The reviews on Google said it was an amazing crust, but you guys, it was just your basic gluten-free restaurant-style crust. Nothing special. All right, now it's time to drive through this smoke, get to Payson, and find our sleep spot for the night. We're gonna spend a couple days in Payson, getting that Wi-Fi puck, doing some laundry, and running a few more errands before we go on our next adventure.
I still smell burning, Mom. Thanks for watching, guys.